This is Marlon Toy Makalina pa rin. Uh, Maker of Project Zero Hunger, Project Zero Blood, Human is the most dominant species, the entire universe, exclusiveness, underwater cities, world cities, uh, uh, I released my video in the internet, in the YouTube, hoping some reporter would react for journalists and or some uh, person who cares what sort of citizen regarding zero blood, regarding the price zero blood or how to buy the blood. Yet still now there is blood in Manila again and in other countries. Yet there's no journalist or reporter that will uh, ask me regarding the Project Zero Blood. Project Zero Blood is the solution in blood, providing the blood in Manila and in other countries around the world is simple. This is okay. It will take time too, but not that not long and not that complex. Fish park, simple. What else? That's I think it's what's not even hunger or blood. I have a solution, but still no report of this. So it's not my fault because I did try to go to Manila and seek some media, but it's not that easy. Not that easy. So I try to use book, but there's no reaction yet. Still, I'm waiting for the reaction.